Alright, I knew something was missing, and that something was this. I almost forgot to post my 360 video for today. I've only missed 2 days so far to date that I can think of, and I'm pretty sure we're on day 39. And I guess since you're looking around our room, you can tell it's destroyed. We're living at Alyssa's parents' house right now, and this is our Casa de Awesomeness. I just picked up the stuff for my job in Hawaii. Got my steel-toed boots. Got my reflective shirts. And, of course, I bought 3 swimsuits. Thank you, Walmart. I'd like to thank my sponsors, Walmart, for making this possible. Got some undies from Ross because I dress for less and I'm not about to spend a shiz ton of money. But this is what our life looks like 4 days before I move to Hawaii for 4 months. Maybe longer, maybe less. We don't know. Anyways, have a great day. Thanks for watching. And again, this is day 39. See ya.